In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to claim WhatsApp username. Let's get started. First, ensure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp by updating the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. After you do that, you can launch WhatsApp. Then navigate to the settings page. Here, different options will appear. Click on account. Now head over to the option username. If the feature is available on your account, you're going to find this kind of option, create username. Click on that. Enter the username you would like to use. Your username must be unique and typically be between 3 and 35 characters. If you have an Instagram or Facebook account linked through the Metas Account Center, you may also see the option to import the same handle, provided it's available. After choosing an available username, review it. Then tap Save and Done to reserve it. That's all there is to it. Your WhatsApp username will now be associated with your account, making it easier for others to connect with your account without using your phone number. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.